play a game called Sex is Like. Do you like that? Yeah, you do. Freshman, you'll learn. One day. One day. It'll happen. Okay, so what we need from you is just an everyday object.
Gasoline!
Gasoline!
Sex is like gasoline. It's often really smelly.
Sex is like gasoline. Sometimes you gotta pump, 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 pump.
Sex is like gasoline. Nowadays it's really expensive. New object.
One more.
Everyday object. What was that?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Alright. That's peanut butter easy. Sex is like peanut butter. It's kind of sticky and it gets in your mouth.
Oh! Sex is like peanut butter. It comes from nuts. Thank you.
New object.
A raspberry.
A raspberry.
Sex is like a raspberry. Potentially give you E. coli.
Sex is like a raspberry. I like it fruity.
Sex is like a raspberry. I always break out into hives after I enjoy one. New object.
Steering wheel.
Stapler.
Sex.
Sex is like a stapler. It's always better when it's long, black, and hard. New object.
A Speedo.
Speedo.
Sex is like a Speedo. Who the hell has sex with a guy in a Speedo? Sex is like a Speedo. It's always better when it's tight.
Yeah, I don't know. All right, new object.
Central air conditioning.
Central air conditioning. Sex is like central air conditioning. You have to start it up like 20 minutes before you actually want to enjoy it.